from Vriddhi Holistic Healthcare. You all are aware that we have been doing a couple of series on PCOS Ki Kahani, and this month we have launched Fat to Fit, our obesity challenge. So we had a lot of requests from you to show you guys some healthy recipes that helps you with weight loss as well as helps you manage PCOS. And here we are today at the Wits Hotel with our very own Super Chef Sandeep. Hashtag Super Chef Sandeep. Go find out on the group Your Health in Your Hands and you will see some awesomely curated recipes by him. Today he is going to show you here live some recipes that are going to not only help you with weight management but also that are very PCOS friendly and a lot more. There is a lot of surprise for you, so stay till the end. Let me introduce to you our Super Chef Sandeep. Sandeep Chaudhary works as an executive chef of Wits Hotel, Mumbai, has over more than a decade of experience. He has been also the chef at Raheja, Best Western, Kamath Group of Hotels, and he strongly believes in serving fresh and healthy meals. No wonder he's on our group. He also believes that guest interaction is the key in hospitality industry. I think that's something every chef out there should understand, that you've got to interact with the guests that come to your restaurant to give them the best. It is important to understand their need and liking, he says. He is also a great supporter of reduce, reuse and recycle. I think full marks 10 on 10 to Super Chef Sandeep for this. And this he wants to do to support the environment and make this world a better place to live. And so here is Super Chef Sandeep. We welcome Chef Sandeep. Thank you so much for actually doing this for us, and it's all yours. Yeah, so what are you going to show us today?
Very good evening, ma'am.
Thank you.
It has been a great pleasure that I've been associated with Your Health in Your Hands from, I can say, almost 2 years.
Yes, almost since inception, and we are very fortunate to have you, and you have been curating some amazing recipes out there. So yes, so what is in store for us today?
Today, as we know that today's world, nutritious food is very important.
Absolutely.
And today we got a few of the new curative recipes like quinoa upma.
Wow.
Normally, we are tired of eating the old upma, suji rava upma.
Yeah.
So I've just twisted a little bit. I'm trying to use quinoa. That is quinoa here. We're going to use lots of vegetables like green peas,
Wow.
carrots,
Wow.
beans, onions, chilies, curry leaves, olive oil, the key thing, mustard seeds, and the
some
urad dal.
urad dal.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the more important is the flax seeds.
Yes,
I think
these
this
are
is-
ground, I think roasted, ground and powdered.
Absolutely,
Correct?
yes, absolutely, ma'am.
So
Absolutely right.
wonderful. So each ingredient that you've chosen is super, not only for weight management but also for PCOS. It has a lot of fiber that you have chosen, and flax seeds in fact have a lot of omega-3, and they have some component that help you lower testosterone, which is extremely important for PCOS patients. So I am really glad in this, and let me tell you, we can even have a little variation to this quinoa. So people, those who don't have quinoa, don't lose heart. You could replace it with maybe jowar,
Jowar, yes.
ragi,
Ragi, yes. Barley.
yes,
And
so,
even wheat barley, yes.
yes, yeah. So these are the things that you can replace it, and also broken meat or dalia, what we commonly call it. So these are the things that you could probably replace your quinoa with. Quinoa is of course a super.
As soon as it sizzles,
Okay.
we
So,
just
okay, your hashtag is sizzle with Super
sizzle.
Chef
Yes,
Sandeep.
yes, you got the right word,
Yes.
ma'am.
So we are going to allow this olive oil to sizzle just like Chef Sandeep.
Right, absolutely.
And there he adds some urad dal.
Urad dal you can add.
Yes, and
You can
some
add
mustard seeds.
mustard seeds.
Okay.
Okay.
Curry
And then let
leaves.
it crackle a bit.
Okay.
And then you need to
here
add a
goes
little
in some curry
leaves. Okay.
Okay, wonderful. Okay.
As soon as things are, you need to add a little of
Onion.
onions.
Okay.
Okay, little of chilies.
Ah.
Chilies
So
that will
those who
give
have
a,
acidity, please avoid the chili.
yes, you can.
Yeah, you can.
Yes. Then we need to add vegetables,
Okay.
which is absolutely
Green
nutritious.
peas.
Green peas.
So these are boiled green
Green
peas.
peas, yes.
Yes.
You need to add a little of
Carrot.
carrots.
So is this raw carrot or we
No,
have blanched it
this
a
is
little?
blanched
Blanched
carrot.
carrot. Absolutely.
the-
And again, I think a
the
blanched
French
beans.
beans,
French beans.
you know,
Okay,
like-
so little boiled or maybe
Yes.
blanched. Fine.
You need to stir a little
Okay.
well.
Okay. Wow. This
And-
looks colorful.
Yes. Why the things are working on? I just need to say about the quinoa. Quinoa, you need to rinse it for 10 minutes. Okay. Then you need to boil it for 10-15 minutes again.
So you rinse it,
Yeah.
you soak it,
Soak
and
it.
then you boil it.
Boil it. Yes.
Okay, so the rinsed, soaked, and boiled quinoa
Yes,
that we
yes.
have there. Awesome. Awesome.
So,
So we are
this is
just
done.
waiting for the vegetables to be done, and now we add our quinoa.
We are adding quinoa.
Okay. Wow. This smells delicious, let me tell you. Amazing. The color is so tempting. I'm sure it can just fill up any tummy. Wonderful.
I'll finish up with some salt,
Okay, so
which
we
is
add
the
a little
key
salt.
ingredient.
Yes. There is no fun without salt.
Yes, absolutely.
We little salt to give it that flavor. I guess it enhances the flavor of all the
Flavor,
other things that's added to it.
It brings out all the
Yes.
taste of all
Yes,
the things.
yes,
We are
yes.
almost about to finish.
Okay. We
We are going in much because this is roasted one. It's already
Yes.
cooked. I've powdered
Yes.
it and finished it.
So we are just going to lay the plate for you and let you guys see how. So, okay, here we have something for you. This is how your upma is going to look. Awesomely delicious and superb. I'm sure all of you guys are salivating and you want to try a spoon of it. So make it at home, try it and share your feedback with regards to your recipe. Okay, so we have our next recipe coming up, and also that's also something sprouted it. What sprouting does is it increases the bioavailability of the nutrients in the moong dal. So you have a lot of folic acid, you have B12, the vitamins and minerals are easily absorbed by your body, and it is also easily digestible because it is sprouted. So that's what the sprout chillas is going to do to you. And again, he's adding some methi to it. We all are aware that methi is a superfood. So when you say methi, it's a leafy vegetable, so it adds a lot of fiber to your diet, and at the same time a lot of minerals, vitamins, iron, calcium and whatnot. Okay, so we have onions, tomatoes to add the flavor, and let's get Super Chef Sandeep started and let us sizzle.
Fine, these are the whole green moons, which
Okay.
is overnight, and then it is put in the thin cloth for the sprouts to get in.
Okay,
So anything with the sprouts, as ma'am said, it's very nutritions are there inside.
Yes, a lot of fiber, a lot of nutrients.
Yeah,
in
these are the methi
sprout.
leaves. Methi leaves, as you all
Finely
know,
chopped.
finely, which aids in digestion, improves the cholesterol as well.
Yes.
We have coriander
For
leaves.
diabetics, again, methi is superfood.
Yes. We have chopped onions. We have tomatoes
Okay.
and the salt. So, as far as topping is concerned, you can use any of the toppings, like even the cottage cheese is good for.
Yes, cottage cheese for your chillas. So you could vary it with your toppings, you could vary it with the vegetables, use tomatoes, carrots, beans again. So cabbage is sometimes that I use with the green dal chillas. So you can simply think about a vegetable that you like and vary it with it. So let's get started, Sandeep.
So what I have done is, once this is soaked, you need to just mix the
Okay, in a
sprout. Yes.
Okay.
You need to add a little of
Coriander. Wow.
You need to add a little of salt, right? And we have tomatoes.
the tomato is giving a nice color to it. Wow.
We can top it with
Methi again.
methi
Okay.
seeds.
Okay.
And a little of
Okay.
Coriander.
Okay.
the salt is already done, but as I have
Yeah.
added the onions,
So
I
you
put in
just
a
add
little
a
salt.
little bit of salt to it. So this is getting done. So I think superb recipe coming in next, and I'm
Yes,
very excited to know about
As you
it because that's a detox drink. Okay, so the chilla is done, and let's show you how the chilla looks. Here is how it looks. Okay.
Will be served with the coconut chutney and the green chutney.
Okay,
lots
so
of,
the green chutney has a lot of mint, and if you guys know, mint decreases the testosterone levels, and that's why it's PCOS. So what spearmint does is it helps you lower the testosterone level, and research has been telling us. So you can either have a pudina chutney, or what you can do is you can go to the supermarket, grab a spearmint tea. You get leaves, dried leaves, just like you have green tea, and make a tea out of it, brew a tea out of it, and sip it with your breakfast, and that's really going to help you manage your PCOS well. And finally, we come to our super drink. It's a detox drink, and it's fully loaded with.
have this. This is a detox drink which would be made of apples.
Wow, so
right?
it's already sweet.
Yes, sweet, because
Yes.
I'm not adding any sugar. It's a natural sugar which we're going to
Yes,
add
so
it.
you are adding apples so to give that natural little sweetness to your drink.
Yes,
Awesome,
yeah.
awesome.
It's a lemon, I think, high in vitamin C.
Yes, vitamin
and,
C, absolutely.
very. I think this is promoted as the
Miracles super
miracles.
Weight loss
Weight
food.
loss. Yes.
So lemon it is.
Lemon.
I can
Cucumber.
see some cucumber.
Cucumber
Yes.
as
Cucumber again cleanses your system,
absolutely
and
good
it's
for
90%
our
water.
skin, I feel.
Yes,
Yeah.
very good for your skin.
Fine. There's are celery leaves, celery sticks.
Okay.
Okay, we got parsley,
Okay.
which reduces or risks down the cancer things.
Yes.
And
it does.
we have ginger, which
So
is
ginger is anti-inflammatory. You have a lot of inflammation in your body, and when you use ginger, the inflammation starts to settle down. So he has made a perfect combination that's not only a weight loss drink but also a PCOS drink. So let's get started. So
fine.
what have we done?
What we need to do is we need to peel the apples, right? We need to take parsley.
Okay.
We need to take cucumber. We need to take ginger. We need to take celery
And some lime.
few lemons.
Okay.
What
And
we
you've nicely chopped them up.
Right.
And now
chop
what
them.
do we do?
We're going to put all this in the mixer. That is the grind which we have,
Okay.
and you just need to churn it. Your
Okay.
drinks.
And your drink is ready.
Absolutely,
That's it?
it's ready.
So fast?
Yes, so fast.
I think this was breakfast within minutes.
20 minutes. Yes.
So we have 2 dishes and a detox drink right under 20 minutes. Can you beat this? I say you don't have time to make a breakfast? I'm not going to listen to that next time. And see how wonderful this looks. This is amazing. Look at color. Amazingly. Moito se kam nahi hai ye.
It's all natural.
And it's all natural. It's super, super, super. I think this is superb. And you've curated some awesomely healthy recipes for us, and I don't think our viewers could ask for anything better. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the cooking that Sandeep did right here in front of you, and you're going to make your breakfast in a jiffy. We will be curating such healthy recipes on a regular basis. Follow his hashtag Sizzle with Super Chef Sandeep on the group. Your health in your hands. It's every Tuesday, so don't forget Tuesday Tadka and Super Chef Sandeep. Keep visiting our group. Join our group if you